Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a little girl named Lily. She was known for her kind heart and curious mind. One day, as she played in her garden, she looked up at the sky and wondered, "I wish I could share my love with everyone in the world." Suddenly, a bright, shimmering light descended from the sky and landed in her garden. A mysterious box appeared, and from it, a friendly-looking creature emerged. "I am Starlight, a guardian of the sky. I have heard your wish, and I have a gift for you," it said. Starlight opened the box, revealing a small, glowing orb. "This is a seed of love. Plant it, and it will grow into a tree that can shower the world with love." Lily was amazed and excited. She carefully planted the seed in her garden and tended to it every day. As the days went by, the seed began to sprout and grow into a beautiful, radiant tree. One night, under the light of the moon, the tree began to shine brighter and brighter. Suddenly, petals of pure love started falling from the tree, floating gently through the air, landing on the houses, the streets, and the hearts of the villagers. The villagers woke up the next morning to find their hearts filled with a warm, fuzzy feeling. They smiled at each other, helped each other, and shared their kindness with everyone they met. Word of the magical tree spread, and soon, people from neighboring villages came to visit. They, too, felt the love and went back to their homes, spreading the seeds of love they received from Lily's tree. Lily's wish had come true. She had shared her love with the world, one petal at a time. The villagers celebrated, thanking Starlight and Lily for the gift they had received. And so, the tree continued to shower the world with love, reminding everyone to share kindness and love with each other. The end.